Hello friends, welcome you all. Today we are going to discuss about Pradhana Mantri Laghu Vyapari Mandan Yojana. See, one has to note that the government schemes are very important related to Pilgrim's perspective. So let us begin the discussion about this scheme. See, this scheme is a pension scheme for retailers and traders benefiting over 3 crore self-employed workers in the country. One has to remember this thing. This scheme is for pension scheme for retailers and traders. And also remember that the scheme is an extension of PM Shram Yogi Mandan Yojana. This is very important. And also the scheme will make all the beneficiaries eligible for a monthly pension. Kindly note down this word monthly pension of rupees 3000 at the age of 60. These are all very important facts for your prelims perspective. And also one has to remember the nodal ministry. The Ministry of Labor and Employment is the nodal ministry for implementing this scheme. And also one has to note that the government will establish a pension fund to run this scheme. See, the Life Insurance Corporation of India, this is very important, LIC, has been chosen as pension fund manager responsible for managing the pension fund, and also central record keeping agency and responsible for pension payment. Okay, these and all very important facts for your prelims perspective. See, one has to remember that all shopkeeper and self-employed persons as well as retail traders with GST turnover below 1.5 crores, that is very important related to prelims perspective, below 1.5 crores and aged between 18 to 40 years can enroll for the scheme. And also note that interested person can enroll themselves through over 3.25 lakh common service center. It has available across the country. And also the government will make a matching contribution in the subscribers account. So these are the important facts one has to remember. And also note that this provision of this scheme shall apply to the Laghu Vyaparis and self-employed and working as a shop owners and retailers and rice mill owners, oil mill owners, workshop owners, commission agent and brokers of real estate, the owners of small hotel, restaurant and other Laghu Vyaparis. So these and all very important facts related to your prelims perspective. And based on our discussion, let us see one important question related to Pradhana Mantri Laghu Vyapari Mandan Yojana. We have to identify the correct statement here. See the first statement. It assures the minimum monthly pension of rupees 3000 per month to small shopkeepers, retail traders and the self-employed people. Yes, this is correct based on our discussion. Here one has to give more importance with respect to the statement number 2. To be eligible, the applicant should not be covered under employees state insurance scheme and the employees provident fund. So this statement is very important. Yes, to person to eligible for this scheme should not covered under employment state insurance scheme and as well as employees provident scheme. So both the statement given are correct statement. Therefore answer for the question is both 1 and 2. With this we are winding this session. Thank you all. Have a good day.